ओ ओ हाय रे मेरी फनिया बड़ी विट्टी विट्टी है, हाय रे मेरी फनिया बड़ी मिठी मिठी है। ओ हाय रे मेरी फनिया मोहतरमा तड़पाए, हाय रे मेरी फनिया मेरी जान ले जाए।
Now that the guests have taken seat, can we please welcome the team of Finding Fanny? That's Homi, Ajanya, Deepika, Arjun. Homi, how many cities have you been trying to find Fanny so far?
Delhi is the first trip because I feel I can find Fanny only in Delhi.
So one sec, why did you make a shoot in Goa?
Arjun, after playing such a nice, suave boy in two states, what is it about playing a loser in this one, like a bad man?
It's nice to know that came across as suave. Mama's boy is now the new suave. He's a loser in denial almost, and more than that, he's a petulant child who's blamed everybody else for what has happened in his life. It's not just one layer. As you travel with the character, you find many more layers to him and many more reasons why people become the way they do. So in that sense, this film, when you catch Savio and you follow his journey, he introspects in the journey at some point in time. So I found that really interesting.
This film has a bouquet of legends. So Pankaj and Nasir and Dimple. So what is that one thing that you thought was one big learning lesson that you got from the three of them?
The actors that they are, that's the side that we've all seen. What I value more is the people that they are, how relaxed they are, and extremely entertaining. You can have great conversation with them because they've obviously had,
Such
way more experience.
Yeah. But Homi, as a director, is it tougher to deal with like senior actors who?
I don't think it's tougher to deal with senior actors. In fact, it's easier because they know what their job is.
So you're saying we were tough?
No, it is. But it is tough to deal with an ensemble. I think with an ensemble, what is difficult is who do you look at when you're directing them? You only have a pair of eyes, and there are 5 people performing, and there are a lot of scenes where they're all 5 together. So that, and I didn't have a monitor as well, and I think that. Initially, I was concerned about it, but I just felt that by the time these guys got together and they were feeding off each other and the way they were acting, your eyes just automatically went to what the juice of the scene would be. And you knew it was working.
Which is one Bollywood movie that you absolutely loved and you wish that you had done that role?
I don't think that there's any one film that I wish I would like to be a part of, because if there is any film that has become special because of the performances, then it's obviously because those actors have done justice to that part and to that role and to that film.
You look so perfect, you look so magnificent, but the world was devoid of beauty. That's the reason behind our descent. I'm your die-hard fan because you are the epitome of beauty, our beloved actress and the most beautiful lady.
You're young and talented, keep it up.
What is the best part of living a star life?
You can affect people's lives and you can touch them. What greater feeling than that? And the love and adulation you get. I mean, we are entertaining you all. We are out there to make sure you guys have a good time in the cinema house. But it goes beyond that for people. That's the most amazing part about it.
What's one thing which keeps you going, even after like every Friday a new star is born?
I think I love what I do. The only thing that matters to me is what I do in front of the camera, and everything else is a result of that. Whether it's the love, the appreciation, the fan following, the money, all of that is just a result of the hard work and effort that we put in front of the camera.
Shake your booty on the floor. Shake your booty on the floor.
Hi, मैं हूँ दीपिका पादुकोण.
Hi, मैं हूँ अर्जुन कपूर और आप सुन रहे हैं
फीवर 104 FM. It's all about the music. ये पिक्चर बहुत ही अलग है. There's no कोई बेंचमार्क नहीं है. आज तक you've not seen a film like this. I think क्योंकि पहली बार हम दोनों ने इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी में फिल्म की है. It's clutter breaking.
पंकज साहब, नसीर साहब, you both are superstars now. अब टिम्पल कपाड़िया, how was it? बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला होगा.
I think उनकी खासियत यही है कि they never try to show us how to do it. The way of flaunting it is by not flaunting it. You get to learn so much by being with them as people also, their experience when they talk about Abid stuff. मतलब ये नहीं कि सिर्फ काम की बात या ये scene मैंने ऐसे किया था. Just to see how they are, the way they conduct themselves, they don't carry that baggage of being such experienced actors and stars in their own right.
Shake your bootiya on the floor. Shake your bootiya on the floor.